Hey, welcome to today's episode. We're diving into a big topic today. How can we live peacefully, unshaken by praise or blame? It's all about enlightenment, right?
Yeah, it's such a profound question. The kind of question that makes you pause and really think. How do we get to that state where we're like flowing water, not disturbed by anything?
Exactly. It's like you want to be calm, no matter what happens around you. But, as So Sung-nim says, it's only achievable through enlightenment. So, what exactly does that mean? How do you get there?
Well, Sung-nim mentions different levels of enlightenment. The highest level, where you become so grounded that praise or blame doesn't affect you. It's like you've done what you can, and that's enough, right?
Yeah, because at that level, even if people praise you for a great accomplishment, you wouldn't get caught up in it. It would just flow right by you, like the wind. You wouldn't be intoxicated by it.
But here's the thing. Most of us are still pretty far from that highest level, aren't we? I mean, we do get carried away with praise sometimes. It's just human nature.
Definitely. But it's interesting how Seo Sung-nim points out that even if you're a laborer, you can still reach enlightenment. It's not about doing the most important job. It's about doing your job with the utmost quality and sincerity.
Right, he talks about how even a laborer can reach enlightenment by doing their work with accuracy and dedication. And when they do that, they'll meet the right people, those who resonate with the quality of their work. It's like the universe aligns with you.
It's kind of humbling when you think about it. No matter what you do, if you're doing it right, you'll be living in harmony. It's about your own path, your own scale of enlightenment. No need to compare yourself to others, especially not to someone like Buddha.
Exactly. I think the mistake a lot of people make is trying to follow the exact path of someone like Buddha. But we're all born into different circumstances. You can't expect to have the same path as someone else and reach the same level of enlightenment.
So it's not about mimicking others. It's about understanding and embracing your own journey. And that's where people often miss the point. Enlightenment isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of thing, right?
Yeah, for sure. It's personal. Like Seo Sung-nim says, a laborer has their own kind of enlightenment, just like a parent or even a leader. It's all about doing your work right in whatever role you're in.
It's kind of freeing, though, isn't it? Realizing that you don't have to be someone else. You just need to be the best at what you do, and that's how enlightenment finds you.
Absolutely. And the real challenge is staying true to your path, no matter how tempting it is to compare yourself to others. Because when you chase someone else's enlightenment, you're not living your truth.
So the key takeaway here is to focus on your own work and do it well. Whether you're a laborer, a parent, or even an intellectual. Enlightenment happens when you're living true to your role.
Right. And that means we need to be mindful of the work we're doing in the present moment, not get distracted by what others are doing. It's a continuous process of self-awareness and growth.
Absolutely. So what does that mean for us? For all of us listening right now? I think it's a good reminder to stop chasing some ideal of enlightenment and just focus on being the best version of ourselves in whatever role we're in.
Well said. It's like the stream of water. Just keep flowing in your own way, and everything will come naturally. The right people, the right opportunities, they'll all come to you.
Yeah, and I think that's a beautiful thought to end on. Let's all try to be more present in our lives and let enlightenment happen as it's meant to.
Definitely. Thanks for listening, everyone. We'll catch you next time in part 2 of this journey.